Welcome to Amit Things. In this video course, we will learn the concepts of Windows 11. Microsoft's latest OS is Windows 11 and comes with a faster way to access information with AI powered widgets. And it also includes some other amazing features which we will discuss. We have covered the following lessons in our 3 hours Windows 11 course. So let us start with the first lesson. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. So Windows 11 is here. Let us see what are the minimum requirements of Windows 11 and how you can check that your current Windows 10 system is compatible with Windows 11 or not. For that, go to the browser. Here in type Windows 11, press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible. Upgrade to the new Windows 11 OS. So Windows 11 is not yet released, but it will get released in the end of this year. I clicked on it. Here you can see introducing Windows 11. These are the features. Going below, you can see minimum system requirements is the following, but instead of going here, you can straight away download this app and check. This is the PC health check app, and check that your current system is compatible with Windows 11 or not. Many of the Windows 10 version is not compatible, but many of them are providing complete support to Windows 11. So you can just download this app, click on it, download, and just install it. Double click. Here it is guys, you can just click on check now and it will let you know that your PC is compatible with Windows 11 or not. That's it. This will give complete result. So guys, in this video we saw what are the minimum system requirements for Windows 11, and if you are already having Windows 10 genuine version, then you should definitely get Windows 11 update. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily work around widgets on Windows 11. So under Windows 11 on the left itself, you can see the widget section. So when you'll keep the mouse cursor here, the widgets will be visible. Go above. Here it is. Temperature, stocks, news. Okay. And all these widgets are visible here. Here it is. Okay. So if you want to add a new widget, you can click plus here. Here you can see add widgets is visible. Now here are the widget settings. You can add any widget and it will also get saved because you have logged into your Windows 11 system. If you want to add an Outlook calendar, you can add it here. Let's add it. Click on plus. So we have added, we have pinned it. I'll click on cross and that's it. Now we'll be having our Outlook calendar here. You can create events directly from here. You can also drag and drop. So I dragged it here. I dragged my Outlook calendar here. Then here it is. Okay. I can also keep the stocks here. So you can easily work around your widgets from here. You can also search the web from here. You can also change the size of the widget. Let's say I'll click on more options, 3 dots. We can go for smaller one. We can increase the size to large, very large. Okay. I'll keep it to medium. Then click on the 3 dots and you can customize the widget. Let's click on it. Okay. You can add the location from here and units in Celsius or Fahrenheit. In the same way, you can edit any of them. Let's say I'll click on here. I'll click on customize. You can add any stock to watch from here. Okay. So guys, in this video we saw how we can play around widgets on Windows 11, how we can easily add it and customize. Thank you for watching the video. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily enable dark mode on Windows 11. So right now we have the light mode. You can see the taskbar, it's in light color. That means we are in light mode, but we can easily change it to dark mode. Let's see how. First go to start, click here, or you can also click the start button on your keyboard. After clicking go to settings, you can also type settings here if you are unable to find this. Type settings. Now click on open to open the settings. To reach the section wherein you can easily set dark mode, go to personalization. Now herein you can see the options are visible. Click on colors. Now the mode is visible. It's light right now. You can see because it's light. You can go to the drop down and set the custom as well as dark color. We will set the dark theme. Click on dark. On clicking dark, you can see we have changed the theme to dark. Now everything is in dark color. You can see the taskbar is dark. When I'll right click, the background of the format is in dark. We have successfully changed it to dark mode. You can toggle and change it to light mode again. So guys, in this video we saw how we can enable dark mode on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can display the file name extensions on Windows 11. So this is our Windows 11. Let's say we went to any of the drive here. Let's say it's E drive. Now when I'll right click and create a new file, let's say text document, it will get created but the extension is not visible. You can see .txt is not visible. It's written text document but it's also showing text document on the cursor, but the file name extension is not visible. So it can create trouble if you are trying to rename the document to a new file extension. Okay, so how you can change it on Windows 11? Herein you can say .txt is not visible. If I let's say create another docx document, and herein also you can see the extension .docx. The extension .docx is not visible. How we can enable the extension for all these? Okay, let me create a pptx presentation also. .pptx is not visible. How we can enable them so that we can also rename it later? Go to here, view, herein click on show, and herein just click on file name extension. On clicking this option, all the extensions will be visible. I'll click it. Now you can see the extensions are visible: .docx, .pptx, .txt. Now you can easily rename the extensions also by right clicking on Windows 11, show more options, and herein you can click on rename. Now when I'll change it to let's say .php or .java, you can say, when I'll keep the cursor here, when I'll press enter, it will ask me that you want to change the file extension or not. Herein, yes, I want to change it. Now our text document file have been changed to Java. I can easily rename it now. Let's say my Java file is demo.java. Okay, so in this way we can easily change the extension of a file also. So guys, in this video we saw how we can enable file name extensions, that is how we can display the extensions of different file formats like txt, Word document, ppt and others. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily rename the PC name, that is change the PC name on Windows 11. So it's very easy. Herein you can see Windows 11 is visible. We need to go to the settings. For that you can click here straight away, or you can also click on the search option. Go there and type about. That's it. On typing about, you can see about your PC is visible. You just need to click on open. On clicking open, you can see about is visible. The laptop name is the following: laptop hyphen PHUOD0DU. You can easily rename it by clicking on rename this PC. I'll click on it and I'll type, let's say, Amit HP. Okay, after that I just need to click on next, and you need to restart your system to change it to Amit-PHP. Just click on restart now. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily rename our PC on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily get the product ID of our Windows 11 system. It's very easy. Herein you need to click on the start button, or you can also press the keyboard, the start button on your keyboard. Click here. Herein click on settings. If you are unable to find this settings button, type settings here. Now click on open to open the settings. So we have reached the settings option. To check the product ID, go below under system. Here is the system default. Click on about. After clicking about, you can see the device ID and product ID is visible. Here is the product ID. So in this way you can easily check the product ID and other information about your system, like specifications for device and specifications for Windows. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily find the product ID of our Windows 11 system. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily check the edition of the Windows 11 installed on our system, that is the version of Windows 11, which version is installed on our system. For that, under Windows 11 click on the start button. You can also click the start button on your keyboard. Click here. Click on settings here. You can also type settings here if you are unable to find this button. I'll type settings. After typing, click on open to open the settings. So we have reached the section system. To get the information about our Windows 11, go below under system and click on about. On clicking about, you can see below Windows specification is visible. And here in the edition is visible, that is our system's Windows 11 is Windows 11 Home single language. In this way you can easily find the edition of your Windows. You can also find the device specification, that is the device name, processor info of your system. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily find the edition, that is the version of Windows 11 installed on a system. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily check the device ID on our Windows 11 system. For that, first you need to go to the start option, or you can also click the start button on your keyboard. I'll click here. So here in settings option is visible. You can straight away click here, or you can type settings from here. After typing, click on open to open the settings. After reaching here, go below. After going below, click on about. On clicking about, you can see the settings for my system are visible. Here we have device specifications, here we have Windows specifications, and herein we have a device ID. Okay, so you can easily find the device ID and all the information about your system here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily check the device ID on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can check the RAM slots of our Windows 11 system without opening it. For that guys, on your Windows 11 system, press Ctrl or Delete, that is you need to reach the task manager. I'll press it. Now click on the task manager. After reaching the task manager, herein you can see, click on performance. After clicking performance, the CPU section is visible. But what we want the RAM slots, how many RAM slots we have and which RAM is placed there. Click on memory. On clicking memory, herein it is written slots used 2 of 2. When you'll keep the mouse cursor, it will be written that your slot 1 is having how many GB of RAM and your slot 2 is having how many GB. So herein I have two slots, 4 GB each. You can check 4 GB each. Okay. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily check the RAM slots on our Windows 11 system without even opening the system. Thank you for watching the video. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily check that our Windows 11 is genuine or not. So it's very easy. Herein you can see we have our Windows 11. How we can check whether it's genuine. For that, go to the start, click here. On clicking here, you can see the settings will be visible here. Okay, click on it. After clicking, you can see the settings is visible. Herein under the first one, system, that is here. You need to go below. When you'll go below, herein you can see activation is visible. This is where you will be able to find the activation state of your Windows 11. Click on it. On clicking, you can see we have Windows 11 Home single language and it is active. Activation status, click here. On clicking, you can see Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. This itself says that your Windows 11 is genuine. So guys, in this video we saw how we can check whether our Windows 11 installed Windows 11 is genuine or not with a valid license key. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily update our Windows 11 system, that is how we can check for any new updates on Windows 11 and update our system. So it's very easy. So herein you can see this is Windows 11. Herein you can click on start or straight away click here. Now click on settings. After clicking on settings, herein you can see our settings are visible on Windows 11. Below you can see Windows Update. You just need to click on here. Now herein you can see all the updates are visible for Windows 11. Here you can see Windows 11, this also, and other system updates also are available. And here is the cumulative update for Windows 11. Okay, so you just need to click here, or you can straight away click on restart now, and you can update your Windows 11 system. In this way you can easily find any update on your Windows 11 system, or else Windows will automatically notify you here by creating a sign. You can see your device needs to restart to install important updates. Select this icon for more info. So whenever there will be any update, an icon will get created with this sign. That means you need to restart your system to update it. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily update our Windows 11 system. We also saw that how we can check for updates on our Windows 11 system. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can change the wallpaper on Windows 11. So it's very easy. Here you can see Windows 11. If you want to change the wallpaper, right click, click on personalize. Now you can see from here you can change the theme by clicking on any of them. If you want to change the background image, click here. That is the wallpaper. So right now I'll show you. I'll minimize this. Herein you can see our wallpaper is the following, and I'll change it now. So let's say I'll click on the following, and we have changed it. Click on the following and you can see we have changed it. That's it. In the same way you can personalize your background by adding a solid color also, or even a slideshow by clicking here. Okay, so you can also set the slideshow and the settings here. Let's say I'll go for the picture only. You can also browse a picture from the system by clicking browse. You can select the image from anywhere and click on choose picture. I'll keep the default, and let's say I'll change it to this one. So guys, in this video we saw how we can change the background image, that is the wallpaper on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily change the display resolution on Windows 11. So it's very easy. So herein you can see we have our Windows 11. When I'll right click, herein you can see display settings are visible. You need to click on it. After clicking, all the display settings are visible. Now herein you can see display resolution is visible, and the following is 1920 by 1080, which is recommended. When you'll click on it, you'll be getting all the options regarding the resolution. So you can change it. Let me change it to 1280 by 720 and let's see what will happen. So it's fine. Now I'll just click on keep changes. Now it's 1280 by 720, as you can see here. If you want to change it again, just go to the same settings again, display resolution, and just change it again. Here it is. I have changed it. It will ask that you want to keep the new display settings. Yes. Yes. Keep changes. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily change the display resolution on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily change the brightness. So it's very easy. Let's see. To change the brightness, you can see a new option on the right is visible. Just click on the battery status. On clicking, you can see the brightness option is visible here itself. Just drag it, you can see the brightness changed. With that, if you are unable to find this option, you can straight away click on right. Click on display settings. After clicking, you can see under display, brightness is visible. From here also you can adjust it. It's so simple, right? So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily change the brightness. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can change the display orientation on Windows 11. So let's see. Right click on your Windows 11, here and click on display settings. After clicking display settings, you can see system display section is visible. Go below. Here and you can see you can change the display resolution from here. In the same way you can change the display orientation. So display orientation allows you to set a landscape or portrait view of your Windows 11. Let's say it is set to landscape. So let us change it to portrait, and you can see we have changed it completely. Obviously this isn't a tab, so you won't be able to work like this. So let's say I'll set it to, so I've changed it. Okay, so it's back to landscape. In the same way you can easily change the display orientation from here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily change the display orientation from landscape to portrait. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can change the date and time on Windows 11. So herein you can see Windows 11. To change the date and time, you can just right click on the date and time. From here and click on adjust date and time. Click on it. After clicking, you can see it as set the current date and time. Click on set the date and time manually. Click on change. On clicking, you can just change the date and time from here. You can easily change it. And here is the time. So it is according to 24 hours format, and here are the minutes. And just click on change. It will change it. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily change the date and time on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily move the taskbar to the left. Herein you can see the taskbar is on the center. If you want it on the left, it's very easy. So herein you can see Windows 11. Just right click on the taskbar anywhere, right click. On right click, just click on the taskbar settings. After clicking, you can see the taskbar settings are visible. Go below. Here and click on taskbar behaviors. Click on it. On clicking, you can see taskbar alignment is center by default. That's why it's in the center. I'll just change it to left. That's it. Herein you can see we have changed it to left. Okay. And I'll just minimize this. And now you can see the taskbar is now again on the left side, just like Windows 10. So guys, in this video we saw how we can align the taskbar to the left on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily turn on the Bluetooth on Windows 11. So it's very easy. You can see here Windows 11. You can straight away go to the battery sign and click on it, and herein you can find the Bluetooth sign. You can start it from here, and after that you can right click and go to settings. If you are unable to find this option, it's very easy, no problem. Go to the start option, press start. Herein type Bluetooth. On typing you can see Bluetooth and other devices, Bluetooth and other devices settings. Click on open. On clicking open, you can see I already clicked on here. That's why it's already on. You can toggle it to off and on from here. So if you want to connect any device, you can just click on add device. On clicking add device, you just click on Bluetooth, and before that you need to switch on your other device. So I switched on Bluetooth on my other device. Herein you can see. Okay, now I'll just click on Bluetooth here. Make sure your device is turned on and discoverable. So I have switched on my Bluetooth. Now herein you can see Amit Things, my iPhone Bluetooth is visible, device is visible. I'll click on it and I'll connect. and it is connecting. Press connect if the pin on Amit Things matches this one. And herein you can see it is matching, so I'll click on connect. Now herein you can see laptop connected with my phone, Bluetooth. Herein you can see other device is connected. You can also remove the device from here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11 and connect a phone or device using Bluetooth. We connected our iPhone, you can connect your Android or any other music device or even another laptop or any other device. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can remove a Bluetooth connected device from Windows 11. So it's very easy. To reach the Bluetooth setting, you can straight away click on the battery sign and right click here and go to setting. This is the Bluetooth sign. Or you can straight away go to start and here in type Bluetooth. On typing, the settings are visible. Click on the following open. On clicking, now you can see the Bluetooth devices connected are visible. The Bluetooth is on, as you can see. It is connected to the following phone, Amit Things device. It is connected, you can see here. If you want to remove a device, click on the three dots and click on remove device. That's it. Are you sure you want to remove the device? Are you sure you want to remove this device? Yes. So we have successfully removed the device. Now you can see no device is visible. When you click on the battery icon, you can see it is not connected, but the Bluetooth is on, as you can see here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can remove a Bluetooth connected device from Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily change the mouse pointer color on Windows 11. It's very easy. On your Windows 11, click here, or you can also click the start button on keyboard. After clicking, you can see the settings option is visible. If the following option is not visible, click here. Type settings. Click on open to open the settings. On the left, you can see under settings, accessibility is visible. Click on it. After reaching accessibility, the mouse pointer section is visible. Click on it. So to change the mouse pointer color, click here. On clicking, you can see the recommended colors are visible for mouse and the color also changed. Click on any one of them. You can see. If you want another color, click on choose another color and select the color you want. Let's say I went for this and I'll click on done. Now my mouse pointer color is changed. If you want to check it, you can just increase the mouse pointer size also. And now you can see the color have been changed of our mouse cursor. I'll change it again to show again. To display, you can see lime color, blue color. Here we have green color and all other colors. You can again select the color and choose the color you want. Let's say the following, which is rose, and I'll click on done. Here it is. If you want to go back, you can just click here and you'll be back with the same cursor and the same size. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily change the color of our mouse cursor on Windows 11, the mouse pointer on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily change the mouse pointer size on Windows 11. It's very easy. At first, go to the start sign on Windows 11. Click here. Herein you can find settings. If the following is not visible, just type settings here. Click on open to open the settings. On the left you can see accessibility option is visible. Click on it. On clicking, the mouse pointer section is visible. Mouse pointer and touch. Click here. After clicking, you can see from here you can change the style, you can change the color of mouse pointer, but we want to change the size. So here it is. The size is really small, you can see. I'll just increase it. On increasing, now you can see it's really huge. You can just change it from 15 to, let's say this is fine. This is fine, I guess. So easily you can change it. You don't need to save it because it gets saved by default. If you want to again go to the exact default location, you can just drag it here. I'll keep it as it. I'll keep it here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can change the mouse pointer size on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily change the mouse pointer speed on Windows 11. It's very easy. At first go to the start button on Windows 11. Click here. After that click on settings. If you are unable to find these settings, type settings here. On typing, click on open to open the settings. On the left you can see the settings are visible, all the settings. For mouse pointer, click on accessibility. After clicking on the right, we have this mouse pointer and touch settings. You need to click here. After clicking, from here you can change the mouse pointer style, the color, the size also, but what we want to change the speed. We want to change the speed, so click here, mouse, under related settings. Herein guys, the speed section is visible. By default it's the following. You can change it. It's on 10. You can change it to 20 if you want a good speed. I prefer keeping it here itself. If you want, you can change it. You don't need to save it because it will get saved by default. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily change the mouse pointer speed on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can change the mouse pointer style on Windows 11. It's very easy. At first on your Windows 11, go to start, click here. After clicking, the settings is visible. If somehow you are unable to find these settings, type settings here. After typing, click on open to open the settings. So I've opened it guys. On the left you can see some options are visible. You need to click on accessibility for mouse pointer. So we have clicked here. Herein you can see the mouse pointer settings are visible. Click on it. On clicking, we wanted to change the mouse pointer. Right now the mouse pointer is this. You can see here it is. You can change it to dark, black, that is. Okay, now I have changed it. You can now change it to inverted in this way. You can also change it to the following by adding colors to it. Here it is. You can select and add colors to it. Okay, so I'm selecting and the color is getting changed. You can also change the size from here. Here it is. So these styles we saw: white, black, inverted and color. In this video we saw how we can change the mouse pointer style on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily enable the mouse pointer shadow on Windows 11. It's very easy. At first on your Windows 11, go to the start button. You can also click the start button on your keyboard. Click here. Click on settings. If you are unable to find these setting options, type settings here. On typing, you can see the open button is visible. Click on open to open the settings. On the left you can see the settings options are visible. Click on accessibility to reach the mouse pointer settings. Now herein you can see the mouse pointer is visible. Click on here to reach the settings, the exact mouse settings. From here you can change the mouse pointer style, color also, mouse pointer size also. Okay, I'll keep the default. From herein you can change the mouse pointer style, the color. You can also change the size, but you want to enable the shadow. For that, click here under mouse. After that, under the mouse section, under related settings, click on additional mouse settings. So we have reached the mouse properties. Click on pointers, and herein you can see we have already enabled shadow, so our cursor is showing shadow. If you want to disable it, you can disable it from here. Now it's not visible. When I'll click OK and apply an OK, the shadow won't be visible. So it's hard to see the shadow. For that, I'll first go back and I'll just increase the size of my mouse pointer to check the shadow. We don't have a shadow right now on our mouse pointer. To enable it, I'll go to mouse again. Now I'll go to the settings again, related settings, and additional mouse settings. Click here. Now you can see when I'll go to pointers and enable pointer shadow, under this pointer, a shadow will be visible. Okay, enable pointer shadow. Now I'll click on apply, and now I'll click on OK. Now you can see somewhat a shadow is visible on our mouse pointer, so we have enabled it successfully. So guys, in this video we saw how we can enable mouse pointer shadow on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily change the text cursor size on Windows 11. It's very easy. At first, go to start. You can click here or press start. Here and click on settings. If you are unable to find settings, you can just type settings here. Press enter. Click on open. After clicking open, you can see some options are visible on the left, some tabs. Click on accessibility. After clicking, herein the text cursor option is visible. Click on it. On clicking, you can see the text cursor indicator preview is visible. Firstly, you can just click on here. With that, you can increase the size. Okay, when I'll increase the size, you can see the size increased. Okay, for text cursor size. Okay guys, so guys, in this video we saw how we can easily change the text cursor size on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily change the text cursor color on Windows 11. It's very easy. At first, go to start. You can click here. After reaching here, you can click on settings, or if you are unable to find this, just type settings here. Now click on open. After clicking on the left, you can see some options. For text cursor, click on accessibility. We have clicked here. After that, click on text cursor. When you'll click here, the indicator is off. You can say by default this is not visible. You can first click on here. You can change the size from here, but we want to change the color, so I'll just select any default color from here. You can see the cursor size changed. I'll just increase the size and you can see the cursor size changed. You can also choose any color. Let's say I went for the following color. Click on done. Now you can see the text cursor indicator preview. You can see the text cursor preview is visible for our sample, for an example, and this will be the final output of our text cursor. So guys, in this video we saw how we can change the text cursor indicator color on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily change the text cursor thickness on Windows 11. So it's very easy. Let's see. At first, click here, or you can also click start on keyboard. After clicking here, click on settings, or if you are unable to find this, go to settings here, type settings. After typing, click on open to open the settings. We have opened it. On the left, you can see accessibility is visible. Click on it. On clicking, the accessibility option is visible. You need to click on the text cursor from here. After clicking, you can see the text cursor section is visible. Go below. Herein you can see the text cursor thickness. The following is visible here. Preview means for sample, that it will be actually visible like this. When I'll change it, you can see the thickness increased. In this way you can easily set it. I'll keep it here. I guess this is fine. You don't need to save it. It will get saved by default. So guys, in this video we saw how we can change the text cursor thickness on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can turn on battery saver on Windows 11. So it's very easy. Here you can see Windows 11 is visible. To go to the power and battery settings, click on start here. Here and click on settings. If you are unable to find settings here, you can straight away type settings here. Here it is, settings. Click on open to open it. After clicking open, you can see under the first option, system, under settings, here is power and battery, and it will show you the sleep, battery usage and battery saver patterns. Click here. Now here you can see guys, the battery is 88% charged and the battery saver section is visible under battery. Under battery, click on it. Here is the battery saver section. You can straight away click on the battery saver right now, but if you will click it now, it will lower the screen brightness when you are battery saving, definitely. So this is the good option. If you want to save battery, it will lower your brightness on its own. So the default is 20%. The battery saver will automatically switch on after your laptop charging remains only 20%. So that's a good option. You can change it. You can also go for 50%, or always won't be good because your laptop will always be on low screen brightness. What battery saver will do, it will lower your brightness because you have toggled it, and this is the default also. It will also limit some notifications and background activity so that you can easily get more from your laptop even if the battery is low. So these are all the patterns, and below is the battery usage patterns. You can see the levels at what time. Okay, and here are all the apps, battery usage per app. Which of the app is taking more battery power? You can see 84% by Google Chrome, and rest all you can see are visible here. Here it is. So guys, in this video we saw how we can turn on battery saver on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can check the battery usage levels of any app or software on Windows 11. Yes, we can easily check it. So let's say you have Google Chrome and some other softwares on your laptop. You need to know that which of your browser is taking more battery, which of your app or software is taking more battery on Windows 11, so that if you're not using it, you can just close it to save the battery power. So herein, let's see where we can reach the section. Here is our Windows 11. Go to start, click here. Straight away click on settings, or if you are unable to find this, type settings here. Click on open to open here. Now herein you can see we have reached the settings. Herein under the first only system, you can see power and battery is visible. Click on it. From herein you can see 86% is charged. You can also set battery saver here easily by clicking here, so that you can save the battery when a particular percentage of battery is left, and the below one is what we wanted, battery usage. So this will show you all the battery levels. You can check here according to time. With that you can see battery usage per app. This is what we wanted. So the best thing you can see here, Google Chrome, it is taking 84% of our battery actually. So you can see why your battery goes down. It's all because of Google Chrome. Most of the, I should say. Windows Explorer, maybe I clicked on any folder, opened it, 6%. Rest all the apps you can see here, no one is taking more battery except Google Chrome. Though you can see, you can switch off your browser if you're not using it, so that you can easily save the battery. This is how you can also search any app here. Let's say I'll search for snipping tool, and the same is visible here. So it's a new system, so I haven't used much on this. So this is how you can find it, and you can also sort it by in use, background. You can see in use. So I have Chrome opened. It is taking good amount of battery. In the same way, you can check for background, what is running in the background. You can see the same works, and then you can also sort by name alphabetically. I'll just click on overall usage, which is fine. So guys, in this video we saw how we can check the battery usage per app on Windows 11. We also saw how we can save battery by selecting this option, battery saver. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11. So it's very easy. Herein you can see our Windows 11. So at first we will download Mozilla Firefox. For that you need a basic browser first. So Windows 11 comes pre-installed with Edge. You can see here it is. You just need to click on it. After clicking, you can see now we need to search for Mozilla Firefox here. Press enter. Now here you can see we need to search for the official website. Here it is, mozilla.org. Click on it. I'll also mention this link in the description. Now you can straight away click on download Firefox here or even here. So let's say I'll click on here, click on it. Now the download should start. Download started. Herein you can see the exe file. So it completed quickly. Click on open straight away here. Now the download started. It is installing now from the installer. You need to wait for a few seconds. So herein you can see we successfully installed Mozilla Firefox. Now you can easily close this and you can see desktop shortcut got created. Double click on it and open it. Here it is, guys. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install WinRAR on Windows 11. So WinRAR is used to compress and extract files. Herein you can see we have our Windows 11. So we need to download WinRAR first. To install it, go to the browser. We are using Chrome, you can use any browser. Type WinRAR. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible. Click on it. We will also add this link in the description. Herein you can see the download button is visible. You can straight away click here. Or if you want for 32-bit version, you can click here. Our Windows 11 system is 64-bit, so I'll click on here. On clicking, you can see it is asking you to buy WinRAR, but we can also download the free version. Herein you can see, or you can straight away go and click here, download WinRAR. Now the download should start. Herein you can see it is downloading only 3 MB. Just wait for a few seconds. So now you can see, guys, we have successfully downloaded WinRAR. Now double click on the exe file to install. Minimize this. You can see the installation started. So this is the trial version for 40 days. So it's fine. We can use it for 40 days. If you like it, you can pay it later. So destination folder will be under C drive program files directory. If you want to change, you can change from here by clicking browse. I'll straight away click on install because we have read the license agreement that it's a trial version of 40 days, free for 40 days. Now click on install to install it. Herein you can see WinRAR setup. The associated WinRAR files are the following: RAR, zip, jar are basically used on Windows 10, Windows 11. ISO are basically used for OS files. You can say bigger files. So what I'll do, I'll keep the default because it's fine, because we are installing it for 40 days. So it's fine to keep all of them. Rest, add WinRAR to desktop, it's fine. To start menu, it's fine. And program group also, I'll keep the default everything and click on OK. It has been installed. Click on done. You can see we have installed it under the following. I'll click on cross. Now when I'll right click on any folder, you can see it will give me an option to show more options. It will give me an option to add it to archive, to compress it. Okay, I can straight away add it to archive. You can see it will create Amit.rar folder. I click on OK. You can set the compression method also. I'll keep the default normal. Rest you can change the location, but I'll keep the default and click on OK. You can see we have created a RAR file, compressed file. If you want to extract it, right click on show more options and just extract here, extract to Amit. So you'll get your initial folder back. Okay. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install WinRAR and how we can use it. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install WPS Office on Windows 11. So WPS is a free alternative of Microsoft Word. So WPS Office is free and open source. It is completely free. So we will first download it. Go to the browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. Here and type WPS Office. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible. Click on it. Here and you can see the free download is visible. You can straight away click on here, or you can go to downloads here. Here and you can see the download is visible. WPS Office for Windows. It is also available for Mac, Linux. That means it is cross-platform. I'll click on here to download. Now the download started. It's only 4.5 MB. Now the download completed, guys. Double click on it to install. It's an exe file. Double click. Minimize this. Click on I have read and agree to the agreement. You can read the agreement here and click on install now. Now the download started. Previously what we downloaded was an installer. So the download started here. Now the installation of WPS Office started. Here you can see, guys, WPS Office suite installed. Click on get started. Here you can see it is started. You can sign in from here, or you can get the 7-day trial. After that you need to pay. You need to pay for it. If you want all the features, go for premium user. Go for sign in user if you want basic stuff from WPS Office. I'll just close it for the time being. Here you can see you can create a Word document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, a PDF. You can convert PDF to Word. It also created desktop shortcut. When you'll go to start and you will type WPS, here you can see the entire Office suite is visible. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install WPS Office for Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily install Notepad++ on Windows 11. So it's very easy. Here you can see we have Windows 11 installed. To install Notepad++, you need to first download it. Go to the browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. Here in type Notepad++. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible. Click on it. So guys, we have reached the download page directly. Click on the current version. Click on it. So as you can see, download 32-bit Notepad++. Here in it's 64-bit x64. This is what we wanted because our system is 64-bit. So I'll click on the installer straight away. Click on it to download. So guys, the download started. You can see here. Just wait for a few seconds. It's only 4 MB. So guys, the download completed. The exe file is visible. Click on it. Double click on it to install. So guys, the installation started. Herein you need to select a language. I'll keep the default English. If you want to change, you can change from here and click on OK. Now the installation started. You can see welcome to Notepad++ setup. Click on next. Click on next. This is the license agreement. You can read it. I'll click on agree. I agree. Now you can see it will install Notepad++ under program files directory. If you want to change it, you can change it from here by clicking browse, but I'll keep the default and click on cancel. It will only take 11 MB. Just click on next. And these are the components. You can keep them as a default, which is fine. All plugins and themes, other stuff. The default is perfect. Click on next. Choose components. Yes. Want to create a shortcut? You can create it, right? I selected it. Click on install. Now you can see it installed successfully and the shortcut got created. When you click on finish, it will directly open it. I'll just uncheck it and click on finish. So I'll straight away click here and open it. You can see we have opened it. Now whenever you will create a text file, right click, new, text document. Let's say it's amit.txt. When you will right click, it will automatically show you an option here to edit with Notepad++. Open it and you can edit it. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily install Notepad++ on Windows 11. After that we also saw how we can easily open any text document in Notepad++. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 11. At first we will download VLC Media Player, go to the browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any browser. Here and type VLC Media Player. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible, videoland.org. Click on it. Now we have reached the official website. Herein you can see on reaching, you can see the versions for Windows, Mac and Linux are visible, for Android also. We want for Windows 64-bit, so I'll just click here. We will also mention this link in the description. So now the download will start. Herein you can see the download started. It's only 40 MB. Let's wait for a few seconds. So guys, the exe file for VLC downloaded. Double click on it to install. Minimize this. Herein you can see installation started. You can select a language from here. You can see the defaulted English. You can change the language from here. I'll keep English only. Click on OK. On clicking, you can see the setup started. Click on next. Here is the license, general public license, GNU. You can just read it and after that click on next. Now you can see the components are visible. It will create a start menu shortcut, a desktop shortcut also, and it will also install plugins for Mozilla and ActiveOS plugins. Rest, it will also set association with the file type, audio files for video files. Everything looks fine. Click on next. It will take 171 MB. Click on next. Here you can see the installation location. It will get installed in the program files and a new folder will get created by VLC. If you want to change the location, you can click on browse, but I'll keep the same. So I'll click cancel. It will take 171 MB as I told before. Click on install. Here you can see the installation started. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see the setup completed. Now when I'll click on finish, it will automatically run VLC Media Player, but I don't want this, so uncheck and click on finish. Herein you can see the desktop shortcut got created. You can click here or you can go to start and herein type VLC and you can see it is here. Click on open. You can allow this continue. So herein you can see VLC Media Player, player files from here by clicking open file. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily remove any program or uninstall any software from Windows 11. So it's very easy. Let's see. So this is Windows 11. We need to uninstall any software. For that, go to start. Click here. Here and type remove programs. On typing, the first option is visible. You need to click on open. It will go to control panel. Click on open. On clicking open, you can see all the apps, that means the softwares installed on this Windows 11 system is visible. Here in search for the software you need to uninstall. I want to uninstall Notepad++. I'll type Notepad++. Here it is. You can see it. It is on my system, 13 MB. To uninstall it, click on the three dots. Now click on uninstall. Click on uninstall again. Now it will uninstall. You can see uninstalling Notepad++. Click on uninstall. It is uninstalling. Would you like to keep your custom settings? No. Click on show details. You can see it has uninstalled. It has also removed the Notepad++ official folder. So uninstall completed. Click on close. Now herein you can see on typing Notepad++, nothing is visible. So guys, we successfully uninstalled Notepad++. In this video we saw how we can easily remove programs or uninstall any software from our Windows 11 system. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install Java current version on Windows 11. So the current Java version is Java 17. So let's see how to install it. To install, first we will download Java 17 on Windows 11. For that, go to the browser. We are using Chrome. You can use any browser. Herein on browser on Google type Java, Oracle Java. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, oracle.com/java. Click on it. Here is the official website. Now click on download Java. We will also add this link in the description. On going below, you can see Java 17 is available. So Linux, Mac and Windows, just click on Windows, and the following are available for Windows 64-bit operating system. We want an installer exe file, so I'll just click on here. It's only 152 MB. Click on it to download. So guys, we have downloaded the exe file. Now I'll double click on it to install. Double click. Minimize this. So guys, you can see the installation started. Click on next. Herein you can see it will get the Java JDK version will get installed under program files and it will create a Java folder. We will see this later. You can change the location from here, but I'll keep the same because the default is fine. Herein you can see it includes JRE also. So you don't need to install JRE differently. It comes inside the JDK. That means inside this installation. Click on next. So the installation started. So guys, herein you can see we have successfully installed Java 17 on Windows. Now I'll close this. Let's see the folder wherein we installed. C drive, program files. Here it is Java. It created on its own. And here is the bin path. I'll just copy this path. Okay. So this is the last step. Minimize this. Go to start. Click here. Type environment variables. So herein you can see guys, click on the second one, edit the system environment variables. So I'll just click on the second one. Now on the system properties advanced, click on environment variables. Here it is. Environment variables for both this system and system variables, that means for entire system is visible. I always prefer going for system variables, that is for entire system. Here in path, double click. Click on new. And just right click and paste the same path. Here it is. You can see we have pasted it. This is the same path, the following. Now guys, what you need to do, just click on OK. OK, and the last OK to save all. So guys, we have successfully installed Java 17. Let us verify. Go to start. Type cmd. Click on open to open it. On clicking, you can see the command prompt is visible. Now here in type Java space -- version and press enter. Here you can see we successfully installed Java current version 17.0.1 on Windows 11. It's the same is written 64-bit and it also includes JRE. Now let us type the version for Java compiler. Press enter. Here you can see Java 17.0.1. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Java 17 on Windows 11. we also installed it. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can download and install the current Eclipse version on Windows 11. The current Eclipse version is Eclipse 2021-09. So before installing Eclipse, we need Java because Eclipse is based on Java. So at first, we will install the current Java version, that is Java 17. Let's begin. To install, first we will download Java 17 on Windows 11. For that, go to the browser. We are using Chrome. You can use any browser. Here on browser on Google, type Java, Oracle Java. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, oracle.com/java. Click on it. Here is the official website. Now click on download Java. We will also add this link in the description. On going below, you can see Java 17 is available. So Linux, Mac and Windows, just click on Windows, and the following are available for Windows 64-bit operating system. We want an installer exe file, so I'll just click on here. It's only 152 MB. Click on it to download. So guys, we have downloaded the exe file. Now I'll double click on it to install. Double click. Minimize this. So guys, you can see the installation started. Click on next. Herein you can see it will get the Java JDK version will get installed under program files, and it will create a Java folder. We will see this later. You can change the location from here, but I'll keep the same because the default is fine. Herein you can see it includes JRE also. So you don't need to install JRE differently. It comes inside the JDK. That means inside this installation. Click on next. So the installation started. So guys, here you can see we have successfully installed Java 17 on Windows. Now I'll close this. Let's see the folder wherein we installed. C drive, program files. Here it is Java. It created on its own. And here is the bin path. I'll just copy this path. Okay. So this is the last step. Minimize this. Go to start. Click here. Type environment variables. So here you can see guys, click on the second one, edit the system environment variables. So I'll just click on the second one. Now on the system properties advanced, click on environment variables. Here it is. Environment variables for both this system and system variables, that means for entire system is visible. I always prefer going for system variables, that is for entire system. Here in path, double click. Click on new and just right click and paste the same path. Here it is. You can see we have pasted it. This is the same path, the following. Now guys, what you need to do, just click on OK. OK, and the last OK to save all. So guys, we have successfully installed Java 17. Let us verify. Go to start. Type cmd. Click on open to open it. On clicking, you can see the command prompt is visible. Now here in type Java space -- version and press enter. Here you can see we successfully installed Java current version 17.0.1 on Windows 11. It's the same is written 64-bit and it also includes JRE. Now let us type the version for Java compiler. Press enter. Here you can see Java 17.0.1. So guys, we successfully downloaded and installed Java 17. Now we will download Eclipse to install it. Go to the browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. Here in type Eclipse and press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible. Click on it to open. On clicking on the right, you can see the download button is visible. Click on it. Now you can see the current version is 2021-09. As I told you before, it is for 64-bit. This is what we want, and for Windows. Click on it to download. So here is the version, click on download. Now the download will start. Here you can see 113 MB, you need to wait for a few seconds. Let's wait. So guys, you can see we successfully downloaded Eclipse. Double click on it to install, minimize this. Now you can see guys, the installer is visible. Since we want for Java developers, we will click here. The rest of them are visible. You can see for C++, for web also is visible. You can see for PHP developers, that is web is visible. In the same way for others are visible. I want for Java, so I'll click on the first. You can see it will install under users folder. If you want to change the location, you can change from here. And you can see it automatically detected that we installed Java 17.0.1 before. It automatically took the path. So as we told you before, it's a must to install Java before installing Eclipse. So it will automatically take it. It will create a start menu as well as a desktop shortcut. Click on install. Now the installation started. This is the agreement you can read here. License agreement. Click on accept now. Now the installation started. Just wait for a few seconds. So guys, you can see we have successfully installed Eclipse. Click on launch. It also created a desktop shortcut as you can see here. Herein you can see initially it will ask for the path of the workspace. So workspace is a place wherein all your Eclipse projects, that includes the files, directories as well as plugins, all will get saved here. So the default path looks fine to me. If you want to change, you can click on browse. Set it as default, else whenever you'll open the Eclipse, it will ask you this again and again to select a directory as workspace. Click on launch. You can see guys, Eclipse open. Go to file. Let's create a new project. Click on new. You can directly create Java project from here, or you can create a project. I'll create a Java project directly. Add a project name. Let's say Amit project is the name. Location, I hope you remember we added the following location for Eclipse workspace. I told you that all your projects will get saved in the same location, Amit project. Okay guys, now this is fine. I'm going for the default location. Execution environment JRE, you can set it here. You can see project specific. Remember the current one is 17.0.1, which we saw while installing, which we installed. So rest looks fine. For a simple project, click on next. Here and keep the same, click on finish. Let's go for don't create, and our project will now get created. I'll close this. You can see our project got created, and here is the file. So let us create a new Java file. Right click on the project itself. Let's go for new Java class. Obviously we want a class file. You can see the path is visible. You can also add the package name. Let's say I'll add the package name com.studiopedia. Add the name of the class. I'll add demo. Okay, rest looks fine. Click on finish. You can straight away add public static void main. I added it. Click on finish. Now our project will get create. You can see public static void main. I'll directly print something quickly. Look, we added a text. It will print Amit things. System is basically a class. Out, you can say a standard output stream, and print ln is a method to print a string. Okay, ln we use for new line. The next, whatever we will print next, it will add a line. So the basic project looks fine. Go to file, save all. Now I'll run it. How will I run it? Go to run. You can straight away go to run as and run it, or you can right click on the project, run as, click on Java application. It is having errors. Click on proceed. Oh, we forgot the semicolon. It's fine. Go to file, click on save. Right click, run it again. You can see we successfully printed it. Here you can see. In this way you can also run your Java program on Eclipse. So guys, in this video we saw how we can install the current Eclipse version on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install the current NetBeans version on Windows 11. So NetBeans is a Java IDE. At first we need to also install Java to install NetBeans. Let us first download and install the current Java version. So the current Java version is Java 17. So let's see how to install it. To install, first we will download Java 17 on Windows 11. For that, go to the browser. We are using Chrome. You can use any browser. Herein on browser on Google type Java, Oracle Java. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, oracle.com/java. Click on it. Here is the official website. Now click on download Java. We will also add this link in the description. On going below, you can see Java 17 is available. So Linux, Mac and Windows, just click on Windows and the following are available for Windows 64-bit operating system. We want an installer exe file, so I'll just click on here. It's only 152 MB. Click on it to download. So guys, we have downloaded the exe file. Now I'll double click on it to install. Double click, minimize this. So guys, you can see the installation started. Click on next. Herein you can see it will get the Java JDK version will get installed under program files and it will create a Java folder. We will see this later. You can change the location from here, but I'll keep the same because the default is fine. Herein you can see it includes GRE also. So you don't need to install GRE differently. It comes inside the JDK. That means inside this installation. Click on next. So the installation started. So guys, here you can see we have successfully installed Java 17 on Windows. Now I'll close this. Let's see the folder wherein we installed. C drive, program files. Here it is Java. It created on its own. And here is the bin path. I'll just copy this path. Okay. So this is the last step. Minimize this. Go to start. Click here. Type environment variables. So herein you can see guys, click on the second one, edit the system environment variables. So I'll just click on the second one. Now on the system properties advanced, click on environment variables. Here it is. Environment variables for both this system and system variables, that means for entire system is visible. I always prefer going for system variables, that is for entire system. Here in path, double click. Click on new and just right click and paste the same path. Here it is. You can see we have pasted it. This is the same path, the following. Now guys, what you need to do, just click on OK. OK and the last OK to save all. So guys, we have successfully installed Java 17. Let us verify. Go to start. Type cmd. Click on open to open it. On clicking, you can see the command prompt is visible. Now here in type Java space ---- version and press enter. Here you can see we successfully installed Java current version 17.0.1 on Windows 11. It's the same is written 64-bit and it also includes GRE. Now let us type the version for Java compiler. Press enter. Here you can see Java 17.0.1. So guys, we successfully installed Java 17 on Windows 11. Now we will download NetBeans to install it. Go to the browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. On Google type NetBeans. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible. Click on it. On clicking, now you can see the current NetBeans version is 12.5. I'll straight away click on download. You can see the current version is 12.5. Click on download here. Here in some installers are visible for Windows, Linux and Macs. I'll click on the Windows one, the exe file. Now you can see the mirror is visible. Click on it to start downloading Apache current version. Now the exe file started downloading. It's 412 MB. You need to wait for some good amount of minutes. Let's wait. Guys, you can see we have successfully downloaded the NetBeans exe file. Double click on it to install. Minimize this. You can see the installer started. It will install Java, HTML5, JavaScript and PHP if you want to change it. If you want to change it, you can customize, but I'll keep as it is. The installation size is 761 MB. It's fine. Click on next. License agreement. You can read it and accept it. Click on next. Herein you can see it automatically detected that the Java we installed it is JDK 17.0.1. It automatically took it. We just installed it. And it will install Apache NetBeans under program files, which is fine. If you want to change the location, you can click on browse, but I'll keep the same. Click on next. You can see the summary. It will also check for updates and the size is 761 MB. Click on install. Now the installation started. You need to wait for a few seconds. Setup completed. You can see installation completed. Click on finish. It also created a desktop shortcut, and if you'll go to start and type NetBeans, you can see it's visible here as well. You can click on open here. I'll click on the desktop shortcut to open it. So you can see guys, it opened. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Apache NetBeans on Windows 11. For Apache we needed Java, so we also installed it. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install TurboC C++ on Windows 11. So it's very easy. At first we will download it, then we will install it. Go to the browser. I'm using Chrome, you can use any browser. Herein type Studiopedia and press enter. Click on the website. Herein go to C tutorial straight away. Click on setup, and herein you can see the download. Here it is. Click on download to download it. So we successfully downloaded it. Herein you can see. Okay, so here it is. Right click and click on show in folder. Minimize this. Now you can see guys, it's visible here. You can extract, right click and click on extract all and extract it here. Herein you can see guys, the folder is visible. Double click on it. We extracted it. Here is the setup. Double click on it to install. The installation started. Minimize this. You can see the setup is visible. Next. Click on next. Here is the agreement. You can read it and click on next again. You can see ready to install the program. Click on install. It will get installed on the C drive. Click on install. The installation started. You can see installation completed. It will straight away launch it. I'll uncheck it and click on finish. To launch it, you can see the desktop shortcut is visible. If you want, you can also search it here. The same is visible. You can click on open here. It's your wish. I'll just double click here. You can see here the TurboC C++ is visible. TurboC C++ is visible. When I'll click on start, it will open TurboC. If you don't want the full screen mode, you can select this. You can also straight away create a new project here. I'll just click on start TurboC C++. So herein you can see guys, we opened TurboC C for the first time. If you want to learn how to run your first C and C++ program on Windows 11, you can refer the link in the description of this video. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install TurboC C, C++ on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install FileZilla FTP client on Windows 11. So let's see. So here is our Windows 11. We will see how we can install FileZilla. At first we need to download it. For that, go to the web browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. On Google, type FileZilla. Press enter. Herein you can see the official website of FileZilla is visible. It's written that it is free and open source. You can use it freely. I'll click on it. Now the official website is visible and the following is the download link for FileZilla client for all platforms you can see. So you can directly click here or you can go to the download link. So this is for Windows 64-bit, you can see. I'll add this link in the description. Now just click on download to download FileZilla client. Herein you need to select the edition of FileZilla client. So these are pro versions. We are going for the free one, the standard FTP you can say on TLS, and this is also SFTP, that is secure FTP. I'll click on download to download it. Now the download started. You need to wait for a few seconds. It's only 11 MB. So guys, we have successfully downloaded the FileZilla exe file. Double click on it to install. Minimize this. So guys, here is the setup. The license agreement is visible. Click on I agree. Here are the installation options. You can select the first one for all users on the system or for only a single user. I'll keep the default. Click on next. On clicking next, the components are visible. I'll keep the default. I'll also add a desktop shortcut. It will only take 41 MB. Click on next. Installation location is visible. It will get installed under program files. If you want to change the location, click on browse. I'll keep the same. It will only take 41 MB. Click on next. Now click on install here. Now the installation started. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, installation completed. As you can see here, setup was completed successfully. Click on next. Completed. You can start the FileZilla now by just clicking finish, or you can uncheck this and click on finish. Desktop shortcut also got created. You can double click on it to open, or you can go to start and here and type FileZilla. Here it is. Click on open. I'll open it. So herein guys, the free and open source FileZilla FTP client opened successfully. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install FileZilla FTP client on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install VirtualBox on Windows 11. VirtualBox is free and open source. So to install it on Windows 11 you need to first download it. So let's go to the browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. On reaching Chrome, on Google, type VirtualBox. Here it is guys, press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible. Click on it. So VirtualBox is owned by Oracle and the same is visible. So after reaching the website, just click on downloads from here. So we will also add this link in the description of this video. Now herein you can see VirtualBox for Windows, Mac and Linux are visible, for Solaris also. We want for Windows, so I'll click on here. So the download started. It's only 103 MB. You need to wait for a few seconds. Let's wait. So guys, as you can see here, the exe file has been downloaded by us. Now double click on it to install. Minimize this. So guys, the setup started. Here you can see, click on next, and here is the custom setup. You need to keep all of these default. If you want to change the location, you can click on browse from here, but I'll keep the default. It will get installed under program files and Oracle directory. Under that, VirtualBox directory will get created. So let's click on next. Here you can see custom setup again. Yes, I want to create a startup menu, shortcut and register file associations, which are good to go. The default, click on next. This will reset our network connection. It's fine, no problem. Click on yes. Ready to install, click on install. That's it. Now the installation started. Wait for a few seconds. Yes, click on yes. Yes, I want to install this device software. Click on install. Here you can see we have successfully installed it. It will automatically start Oracle VM. If you don't want to start it now, uncheck this and click on finish. Now you can see desktop shortcut got created. You can double click on it to open. Herein you can go to start and type Oracle VM and you can easily open it from here. Herein you can see you click on open to open it. Herein you can see. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install VirtualBox on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install XAMPP on Windows 11. So let's see. At first we will download it, then we will install it. Go to the browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any browser. Type XAMPP. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the following website is visible, which is the official website for XAMPP. Apache Friends owns XAMPP, which is free and open source. Click on it. You can see XAMPP means X means cross-platform, A for Apache server, M for MariaDB or MariaDB, P is for PHP and P is for Perl. So this is what we want. Here and you can see XAMPP for Windows is visible for the current PHP version, also for Linux and for Mac. We want for Windows, so I'll just click on here to download. Click on it. Now the download will start. You can see only 161 MB. Wait for a few seconds. So guys, you can see it got downloaded. Double click on it to install. Minimize this. Guys, you can see the setup completed. Click on next. You can see guys, it will install. I told you it will install a server also. MariaDB or MySQL is the same. So it will install program language PHP Perl as well as PHPMyAdmin also. So it's fine. Click on next. It will install under C drive. It's fine. Click on next. XAMPP control panel language. It's English. If you want to change, you can change from here. English is fine with me. Click on next. Next. And the setup will start. Click on next. Ready to install. The installation started. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, you can see installation completed. So do you want to start the control panel now? I can uncheck it so that I can tell you later. Click on finish. So we successfully installed XAMPP. To work with XAMPP, we need to go to start and type XAMPP control panel. Here it is. Click on open. Here it is. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install XAMPP on Windows 11. If you want to work more on XAMPP and create a first PHP project or program and run it, you can refer the link in the description of this video. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily download the current Python version on Windows 11. So the current Python version is Python 3.10. So let's see how we can download and install it. Let us download it first. For that, go to the browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. So here in type Python, press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible, python.org. Click on it. On clicking, you can see the official website. Go to downloads. Here in Python 3.10 is visible for Windows. So you just need to click on it to download. The download started. You can see only 27 MB. You need to wait for a few seconds. Now we will double click on it to install. Let's minimize this. Herein you can see the Python installation started. So the first thing you need to do is you need to add the Python 3.10 to path. Herein I'll install launcher for all user, means I'll keep it default. Herein I'll click on custom installation, customize installation. So herein you can see it will also install the documentation. Pip is basically used to download and install other Python packages. That means if you want to install matplotlib, Python pandas, that means the other Python libraries, pip will be required, so it will install it on its own. It will also install an IDLE. IDLE is an ID for running Python programs. We will see this later. Rest keep the default and click on next. Herein you can see advanced option. I'll just select this, install for all users. On selecting this, you can see it will install Python in program files and it will create a folder here. You can change the location for here, but I think the default is fine. We will see this later also. Click on install. Now the installation started. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, you can see setup is successful. Click on close. So guys, now let us see wherein we installed it. Go to C drive, program files. Herein you can see Python 3.10, it got created, and here is the path. Herein we installed Python. Minimize this. Now let us go to start and type cmd and verify the installation. Click on open to open command prompt, that is cmd. Here it is. Type Python space -- version and press enter. Here you can see we installed Python 3.10.0 successfully. Now type py and press enter. Here you can see after installing you can straight away run a program here. So I'll just print something quickly. Here it is guys. Now I'll just press enter, that's it. And here you can see, we successfully ran our first program. If you remember, we also installed IDLE, that is Python ID. Click on start, type IDLE, and here it is. You can see, click on open. Herein you can see IDLE. So herein I'll straight away type print, let's say my YouTube channel, Amit Things, and I'll just press enter. And you can see we successfully ran it under IDLE also. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Python on Windows 11. We installed it and we also ran our first program successfully. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install the current MySQL version, that is MySQL 8.0.27 on Windows 11. We will install MySQL Server, Shell, as well as MySQL Workbench also. So guys, let's begin. At first we will download MySQL, which is free on open source. Go to the browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. Herein type MySQL. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible. Click on it. On clicking, go to downloads. Now go below. Herein click on MySQL GPL downloads. Here are the community downloads visible. Click on MySQL installer for Windows. Now you can see MySQL 8.0.27 is visible. You can see here the MSI installers are visible. The first one is the web installer and the second one is the actual installer which we will install. It's only 470 MB. So 32-bit is visible, but it works for 64-bit as well. Click on download to download it. You don't need to log in and sign up. It will just download after clicking here. No thanks. Just start my download. Now the download will start. It's 470 MB as you can see here. The MSI file. Just wait for a few seconds. Guys, you can see the MySQL installer downloaded. Double click on it. I'll minimize this. Here and you can see the setup type is visible. Here and select the setup type. I'll straight away go to custom. That is, we will manually look into that what we need to install. Click on next. Here and you can see we will select the products now. Go to MySQL Server because first we will go for MySQL Server. Here it is. Click on the plus sign and here it is 8.0.27. Move it here. Now go below and Workbench. If you remember, we were also installing Workbench. Move it here, and the last I'll go for shell as I told you before. Here it is. All three looks fine. Click on next. Here and you can see ready to install all three. Click on execute. Now it will install. So guys, you can see all three got installed. Click on next. You can see it is ready to configure now. Now I'll click next. Type a network in. Looks fine. Here is the port number. Keep the same and click on next. Here and you can see you need to select the authentication method. Go for the first one. Recommended. Click on next. Here and add a password of your choice. So I'll add the following. This will be your MySQL password, root user password. You can see it looks fine. So I hope you know the default is root user. If you want to add a new user, click on add user. Here and add a name. Let's say I'll add Amit, and host I'll go for local because I'm installing on my local system. You can add the role. I'll go for admin only, DB admin, and add the password here and click on OK. This will create a new user, but I'll click on cancel because the default looks fine to me. You can also work on the default root password. Click on next. Here and you can see Windows Service MySQL 80. Keep the same. Click on next here. Now apply configuration. This is the last step. Click on execute. All these steps will finally install all the three MySQL Server, Workbench and Shell. Click on execute. It will take some good amount of time. Guys, you can see the configuration is successful. Click on finish. Configuration complete. Click on next. Here and you can see the installation is complete. It will start the Workbench and Shell after startup. Click on finish. Everything looks fine. The Shell started and the Workbench also started. I'll click on the instance. So remember, we created a root password. Click here. Now enter the same root password which you entered before. Click on save and click on OK. Here and you can see Workbench started. If you want to learn how to create a new database and table and other stuff on MySQL Workbench, you can refer the link in the description of this video. I have provided the entire tutorial. Minimize. Now let us see wherein we install MySQL. Go to C drive. Click on program files. Herein you can see MySQL will be visible. Here it is below MySQL. You can see all three server, shell and Workbench are visible. Click on server. Click on bin and just copy this path. Minimize. Go to start. Type environment variables. Click on the first one. Open it. System environment variables. Under advanced environment variables, click on it and here it is. User variables and system variables. I want the system variables. I'll go below. I'll just double click on path and I'll click on new, right click, and I'll paste the same path, the following path. I have just pasted it here. Click on OK. OK, and the last OK. Now all the steps are complete. Go to start, here in type cmd. Click on open and open the command prompt. Herein, now I'll check that we have successfully installed MySQL or not. For that, type MySQL space -- version and press enter. You can see we successfully installed 8.0.27. Okay guys, now I'll log in it using MySQL -u space root -p. -u is for user. Remember, user was root, the same is visible, and -p is for password. When I'll press enter, you need to add the same root password we entered before. If you remember, enter the password, same password. Press enter. Herein you can see we successfully logged into our MySQL. You can see everything you can read here. We successfully reached here. Now let us type the command show databases semicolon and press enter. You can see the default databases are now visible. If you want to create a new database, type create database and database name. My name is AmitDB, database name is AmitDB. You can add your own name or any other name for your database. Semicolon and press enter. You can see we created a new database. Now type the same command show databases and press enter. Show databases and press enter. You can see AmitDB added. In this way you can create a new database. So guys, if you want to learn how to create a new table and work on the operations of a database, you can refer our entire free tutorial. I have added the same link in the description of this video. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install MySQL Server, Shell and Workbench on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install Microsoft SQL Server 2019 on Windows 11. So it's very easy. Let's begin. At first, go to the browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. Herein type Microsoft SQL Server 2019. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible, microsoft.com. Click on it. Now herein you can see, click on downloads here. On reaching downloads, you can see different versions for SQL Server are visible. So we will focus on the following two, Developer and Express. So you can see it is a free edition. Both of them are free. This is for development and test database in a non-production environment, and this is for basically development in production environment. So we will go for the following. Click on download now to download it. So the download started. It's an installer. You can see 6 MB only. So the download completed. Double click on it and minimize this. Now you can see it is asking for the installation type for SQL Server 2019. Download media, custom as well as basic. So we will go with the basic installation. Click on it. Here in the license terms are visible. You can read it and click on accept. Now herein you can see it will take 266 MB and it will download in the following location. If you want to change the location, you can click on browse, but the default one is perfect. Go for it. Click on install. Now it is installing. So guys, herein you can see we have successfully installed. Here is the connection string. Is the log folder. So log folder is wherein all your error messages and informational messages appear while it gets installed. This is the installation media folder. Installation resources folder. Herein all the resources of SQL Server will get saved. So herein guys, now we will also install SSMS, which is SQL Server Management Studio. It is a software application that will give you a UI to work with SQL to create a database, table and work on it. Basically used for configuring, managing and administrating all the components of MS SQL. So we will work on it also. Before that, we will just click on connect now to at least connect SQL for the first time. Click on connect now. So guys, herein you can see if the following is visible, that means you have successfully installed SQL Server. I'll minimize this and now I'll install SSMS. click on it to install. Now herein you can see guys, it directly went to a new link, that is the official Microsoft link, wherein it went to the download page only itself, and download SSMS link is visible. You just need to click on it to install the SQL Server Management Studio. I'll click on it. Now the download started. It's 653 MB. Let's wait. So guys, herein you can see we have downloaded the SQL Server Management Studio exe file. Double click on it to install. Meanwhile, minimize this. So guys, the installation started. SQL Server Management Studio will get installed in the following. If you want to change the location, you can change from here, but I'll keep the same, and I'll click on install. So guys, you can see the setup is complete. Click on close. Now guys, let us open SQL Server Management Studio. Go to start, click here or click on start. Herein type SQL Server Management Studio. So here it is guys, it is visible here. We just installed it. Click on open. So guys, herein you can see the server type, the server name and authentication. You just need to click on connect here. So SQL Server connected successfully. Herein you can see this is the Object Explorer wherein all the databases tables will be visible. When I'll click on the drop down, herein you can see we are having system database only. It is not having user database because we have installed for the first time. So to create a database, you can straight away right click and click on new database. But let us go for a query. Click on new query. Herein you can see we will use a query to create a new database quickly. Let me zoom it to 150. Okay, now let us type the command to create a database. Create database name. So create database, you need to always write to create a database. Herein you can add any name for your database. Let's say I'll add AmitDB, semicolon. Okay, now double click and select it and just click on execute here. You can see execute here, you can click, or you can use the F5 key on keyboard. I'll just click on execute. I clicked it and you can see commands completed successfully. Now I'll just click on refresh here. Now you can see we have a new database. Okay, this is how you can create a database. Now I can just click on the drop down and you can see the entire schema is visible. Tables we have nothing because we just created the database. Okay, you can see you can right click and straight away create a new table from here. So if you want to create a new table or a new database or work on the clauses in SQL Server, the operators and other stuff, you can refer the link in the description of this video wherein I have provided the complete tutorial. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install MinGW on Windows 11. So it's very easy. Let's begin. At first go to the browser. We are using Chrome, you can use any browser. We will download MinGW. On Google type MinGW. Press enter. So for downloading, click on the first one. Herein you can see the download button is visible. This download works for both 32-bit as well as 64-bit. Click on download. Now the download started, it's completed. Double click on it. Minimize this. Now your installation started, just click on install. And herein you can see it will get installed under C drive, which is fine. If you want to change, you can change from here. Rest keep the default. Click on continue. Now you can see it is connecting to the mirror and it is downloading. So guys, the downloading completed. Click on continue. Now we have reached the installation manager guys. You can see the packages here. We will install them. So first we will go for the MSYS installation. Click on it and click mark for installation. Then I'll go for the following second one, mark for installation. Then we will install the GNU C++ compiler. After that, the GNU Objective C compiler, and that's it. You can also go for the above two, but it is not required. Now we have selected to install the packages. Go to installation, click on apply changes, click on apply here. Now you can see it will connect to the mirror again and it will install the packages. This will take ample amount of time based on an internet connection. Let's wait. So guys, herein you can see we have successfully installed. Click on close. Now let us set the path. So the path was C drive MinGW. Herein you can see bin. Just copy this path, right click and copy. Now let us set the path. Go to start, type environment variables. The first one, edit the system environment variables. Click on open. Under system properties, advanced tab, click on environment variables. Now herein you can see we need to set the path. So just go to system variables. Under that, go to path, double click. Here are all the paths. Click on new, right click and paste the same MinGW bin path. Here it is. Click on OK, OK, and the last OK. So guys, we have successfully installed MinGW. Now let us verify the installation. Go to start, type CMD. Click on open to open the CMD. Now herein let us verify that we have successfully installed GCC MinGW or not. For that, type G++ version and press enter. Herein you can see we have successfully installed MinGW. Here it is written mingw.org. So that version worked for 64-bit as well as 32-bit also. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install MinGW on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 on Windows 11. So it's very easy. We will install the community edition, that is the free version. So at first we will download it. For that, go to the browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any browser. Here in type Microsoft Visual Studio. Now press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible. Click on it. Here it is. Go to downloads. Now you can see three versions are visible for Visual Studio 2022 Community, Professional and Enterprise. This is an open source, therefore it is free. So I'll just click on free download to download it. Now you can see the installer downloaded. Now we'll double click on it to install. Minimize this. Click on continue. So it is downloading, then it will install. So guys, you can see we are inside the Visual Studio Community 2022. So for a sample project, we will go for a C# console application. For that guys, under workloads, you can see, go to .NET desktop development. You can see it is allowing you to create console applications. I'll just select this. After selecting, on the right, you can see the installation details are visible. You can see it will install the .NET framework, the blend for Visual Studio, as well as the debugger, just-in-time debugger, profiling tools, as well as IntelliCode also, which is fine for us. It will take 6.15 GB and the location it will be under program files, and a new directory will get created. If you want to change the location, click on change, but the default one is fine. So it will also install while downloading. Click on install. Remember that it will take ample amount of time based on your internet connection. So let's begin. Click on install. Now you can see it will download and it will install, and after that it will start after installation. Okay, so it is downloading. You can see the speed depends on your internet connection. Let's wait. So guys, you can see the download and installation completed. Now we need to just restart our computer. Let us restart. So guys, we have restarted our system. Now go to start and type Visual Studio, and here it is. Click on open to open it. Now you can sign in here, but if you don't want to sign in, just click on not now, maybe later. Herein you need to select the environment, that is, you can say a theme. So I guess the dark theme is fine. Development settings, if you want for Visual C#, you can go for this, but I always prefer the general one. That will allow me to work on any one of them after installing the components. So I'll click on Journal and click on Start Visual Studio for the first time. So guys, you can see we have started Visual Studio 2022. We need to create a new project. So I'll just click on Continue without code. Now we have reached here. So here it is guys, we will create a new application. Go to File, click on New, click on Project. So we need to search for C# console.NET framework to create a console application. Let's go below. Here it is, console app.NET framework. Click on it. Click on next. Here is the name. Let us add a name. I'll add Amit console app for the project name, and it will get saved here. And keep rest of them as same and click on create. Now this will create our project with a demo code. This is namespace. A namespace is the collection of classes. So we have a single class right now. Here it is, class program. And the main function, as in Java, this is where the code execution starts, the main function. Now let us print something quickly. Using the console write line. Here it is, let us use semicolon. Now go to file and just save all. Okay, so now let us increase the size, let's say. Now this is fine. So now guys, just click on the start button, start without debugging. You can see build started, and herein you can see our first application is visible. Okay, we just wrote my first C# application. Okay, and the same is visible here. Okay, if you clicked on start, let's say I clicked on start, exited on its own. Why? Because we haven't written console.read key. Okay, now when you will click on save all, now when you will click on start, it will display the output in the console. So this is what we wanted. I'll close this. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Microsoft Visual Studio 2022, the current version on Windows 11. With that, we also saw a sample console application. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install Kotlin on Windows 11. For Kotlin, you need Java. So at first, we will download and install Java's current version. After that, we will set up Kotlin. So let's begin with Java installation. At first, we will download it. Let's go to the browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. Herein type Oracle Java. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible, oracle.com. Click on it. After clicking, just click on download Java. After clicking download, you can see Java 17 is available. but the current version is now 17.0.2. So let us go below. Herein you can see the versions for Linux, Mac OS and Windows are visible. We want for Windows. So here it is. x64, that means 64-bit. This is what we wanted. So I'll just click on the installer, the exe file for Windows. Click on it. Now the download started. As you can see here, it's only 152 MB. You need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, herein you can see the download completed for the exe file. Now let us install it by clicking on the exe file. Double click on it. Minimize this. Now you can see 17.0.2 setup started. Click on next. Herein it will get installed under C program files Java. If you want to change the location, you can change it from here. Herein you can see JRE is included in this JDK, so you don't need to install JRE separately for the entire Java. So this JDK works for both JRE and JDK. So I'll just click on next. Now the installation started. Herein you can see the installation completed. Click on close. Now let us see wherein we installed it. Go to C drive. If you remember, we installed under program files. Here it is Java. And you can see here it is JDK 17.0.2. So guys, here it is. Double click on it. Copy the pin path. Okay. Minimize this. Now we will set the path. Go to start. Herein type environment variables. Herein click on the first one, that is edit the system environment variables. Click on open to open it. Now herein you can see under system properties, advanced tab, click on environment variables. After clicking here, you can see under system variables, that is here. Go below. Here it is. We have double clicked on path. Herein click on new and just right click and paste the same path. So the path is the following, which we just copied. Here it is. Okay. Now click on OK. Now you can also set the Java home path to avoid any future errors. We will set it. So for that, I'll directly click new here. Okay, so we will set the home path also. Here in type Java underscore home, and on the variable value, just right click and paste the same path. Okay, but remove the bin. That's it. Click on OK. Click on OK. So we have set two paths and click on last OK. So guys, we have successfully installed Java. Let us verify. Go to start, type CMD. Click on open to open it. So we have opened it. Now guys, let us type a command, java space -- version, and press enter. So guys, we successfully installed Java current version. Now we will set up Kotlin. For that, go to the browser. On Google, type Kotlin. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible, kotlinlang.org. Now after reaching the official website, click on get started. So now you can see guys, we have reached here. Herein on the left, go to tools. Click on compiler and command line compiler. So herein you can see we are installing Kotlin command line compiler. So it is written here that it is not mandatory. It's good if you'll go for installation of Kotlin under IntelliJ IDE or Android Studio, but we can also go for the command line compiler. So for that guys, click on GitHub releases. Herein you can see the current version is visible, 1.6.10. Go below and the compiler is visible here. Click on it to download the zip file. It's only 67 MB. Wait for a few seconds. You can see guys, we have downloaded the compiler zip file. Right click and show in folder. Here it is guys. Now just copy this. Okay, now go to C drive, program files, right click and paste here. Click on continue to allow. So we have pasted the Kotlin compiler. Let us right click and create a new folder. Continue. I'll name it Kotlin. Okay, so now I'll right click and click on extract all, and I'll extract under the Kotlin folder. I'll click on browse, C drive. So we just created the folder program files and Kotlin. I'll just select this folder. Okay, now the Kotlin files will get installed under this folder. Click on extract, continue. Here it is guys, I'll close it. Now you can see under our Kotlin folder, we have our Kotlin compiler. I'll go to bin path, just copy this path, minimize. Now guys, go to start, here and type environment variables. So for the following system environment variables, click on open. Now under advanced, click on environment variables, and here in guys, go to path and double click. Here and click on new. Right click and paste the same path, the bin path for Kotlin. Click on OK. OK and the last OK to save it. Now let us verify the installation. Go to CMD. Click on open to open it. So we have opened it. Type a command, Kotlin space -version, and press enter. You can see we have successfully installed Kotlin current version on Windows 11 with Java 17. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Kotlin on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install dev C++ on Windows 11. With that we will also see a sample program. So let's begin. At first we will download dev C++. Go to the browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any browser. Here and type dev C++. Press enter. So guys, here is the official website bloodshed.net. You can click here and download, but the mirror here is very slow. So I'll go for the following. Okay, so herein you can see dev C++ is visible, which is the official setup. So I'll just click on download to download it. This will be an exe file. Now the download started. It's only 48 MB. Let's wait. We have successfully downloaded dev C++, as you can see here, exe file. Now we will double click on it to install. Minimize this. Now the setup is loading. Select the language. You can change the language from here. I'll keep the default English and click on OK. Now the setup started. Here in the license agreement is visible. You can read it. Click on I agree. Herein you can see the components to install for dev C++. You can see it will install the GCC compiler also and the shortcuts also. It will take 346 MB only. Click on next. It will get installed under program files. If you want to change the location, you can click on browse. You can click on browse from here, but I'll keep the default and click on install. Herein you can see the setup is completed and the shortcut also got created. You can straight away click on finish to run it, but I'll uncheck this and click on finish. Now we have dev C++ shortcut here, but you can also go to start and type dev. On typing you can see dev C++ is visible. Click on open to open dev C++ for the first time. Herein select the language. Yes, English fine. Click on next. The font and theme, let us keep it as it is. We can easily change the themes later from here. So I'll click on next straight away. Click on OK. We have configured dev C++. Here it is. Now let us create a new program. Go to file, click on new and source file, let's say. Now let us create a C++ program quickly. This is the header file. Now let us print something quickly using cout. Okay, now right. So we have printed first C++ program here. Now let us save it. Go to file, click on save. Let us save it on a desktop. I'll give it a name, let's say amit.cpp because it's a C++ file. Click on save. So we have saved it. Herein on the desktop, you can see amit.cpp got created. You can create anywhere. Now just click on execute. Click on compile and run. You can also use F1 shortcut key. Now herein you can see the compilation result is visible. We printed first C++ program Amit and the same is visible here. Press any key to exit. Here it is. So guys, in this way you can easily create a C++ program. In this video we saw how we can download and install dev C++ on Windows 11. We also saw how we can create a simple C++ project on Windows 11. You can easily create a C project also by saving the file as .c. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install Audacity on Windows 11. So Audacity is a free audio editor. Let's see how we can download it first. Go to the browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. Herein type Audacity and press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the software is visible. It is free and open source. You can read here. Here is the official website. Click on it. You can see it directly took us to the download page. The following is for Windows. Here is for Mac and here is for Linux. I'll go for Windows one. You can see it supports Windows 11 also. Click on it. On clicking, you can see the download will automatically start. The download started. Wait for a few seconds. It's only 33 MB. The download completed. It's only 33 MB. Double click on it to install. Minimize this. So the setup installer started. Select the language. You can change the language from here. I'll keep it English and click on OK. Here is the setup. Go to next. Click on next. You can read the information here. It is free and open source. Click on next. Here you can see the setup will get installed under program files. It will only take 87 MB. If you want to change the location, you can click on browse and change the location. I'll click cancel because the following is fine for me, the default. Click on next. You can see it will create a desktop shortcut. Click on next. Here are the details. Just click on install. Now the installation started. You need to wait for a few seconds. The installation completed. You can see here. Click on next. Now it will directly launch Audacity. Click on finish. Or you can uncheck this and click on finish. Herein you can see the desktop shortcut. Click on it to open. You can see here. Click on OK. Here is the version. Click on OK. And you can see Audacity is visible. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install free and open source Audacity software on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install Visual Studio Code, that is VS Code on Windows 11 64-bit. So it's very easy. At first we will download VS Code, which is free and open source, that is free to download. For that, go to the browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. On Google, type VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible. Visual Studio Code, click on it. Here you can see the download for Windows is visible. You can find all the versions for Mac, Windows as well as Linux. We want for Windows user installer x64 64-bit. So I'll click on here. After clicking, now the download will start. Here is the exe file. You need to wait for a few seconds. Now the download completed. Double click on it to install. Minimize this. Now the setup started. Accept the agreement. This is the license agreement. Accept and click on next. Now here is the destination location. If you want to change the location wherein wherein Visual Studio Code will install, click on browse, but I'll keep the same. Okay, on clicking the browse, you can select the location, but I'll keep the default location, which is fine. You can also keep it. It will take only 306 MB. Click on next. Now this is the start menu folder. Keep it as it is. Click on next. Now if you want to create a desktop icon, you can click on it. You can also select the other options that will allow you to open with code from the Windows Explorer. Click on next. Now ready to install, click on install to install it. Now the installation started. Wait for a few seconds. Now we have completed the installation. Click on finish. It will launch. You can uncheck it if you want. Finish. It won't launch now. You can directly click on the desktop shortcut which got created. Whenever you want to open, double click on it to open. Or you can also go to start and type VS Code. I'll double click on the desktop shortcut. Now it will open. When you'll open it for the first time, it will ask you about the theme. You can go for the default dark theme, or you can choose the light theme. We will click the dark theme. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install VS Code on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install GIMP. So GIMP is a free and open source image manipulation program, which is a good alternative of Adobe Photoshop, you can say. So we will first download GIMP and then we will install it for free. Let's go to the browser. We are using Chrome. You can use any browser. Here in on search type GIMP. Press enter. So after typing, you can see the official website is visible, gimp.org. Click on it. On clicking, you can see straight away the download button is visible. So it is free and open source image editor. You can see image manipulation program. Click on download to download it. So here downloads is visible. We want for Windows. So you can see GIMP for Windows is visible. So we'll download for Windows 11. I'll straight away click on download directly. Now you can see the download started. It's 238 MB. So we need to wait for a few seconds. Let's wait. So guys, we have successfully downloaded GIMP. The exe file is visible. Double click on it to install. Here and select the install mode. I want to install for all users. So I'll click here. It's recommended. Minimize this. Here and select the language. I'll select the default English. If you want to change, you can change from here. So click on OK. Herein you can straight away click on install. Now the installation started. It will take some good amount of time. Let's wait. So guys, you can see we have completed a GIMP setup. Click on finish. Now we need to open it. Go to start, click here. Here and type GIMP, and here it is. Click on open here to open it. So guys, here you can see we have successfully opened GIMP. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install GIMP, which is a free and open source image manipulation program editor, you can say. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can create a partition on Windows 11. So it's very easy. So herein you can see we have our Windows 11. We need to create a partition. At first you can see what we have. We have a C drive SSD with 149 GB and a D drive with 326 GB. Let's say I want to create a new partition from D drive. So I'll just divide it into two, that is around 150 GB for two partitions. So herein after that we will be having D and E drive with 150 each around 150 each. So for that, right click on this PC, click on manage. Under manage, click on disk management. Now here are the spaces allocated. You can see we have our C drive with 150 GB and D drive with 326 GB. So I want to create a new partition from the already created D drive. What I'll do, I'll just right click on D drive. So I've right clicked on D drive. I'll just click on shrink volume. So here it is, shrink volume. Enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So this is around 3,30,000, around 330 MB. That is around 330 GB. You can see 325 to 330 GB. What I'll do, I'll just mention the half around this value. Let's see this. So one of the drive will have around 173 MB and the other one will have 160 MB, around similar. So that is around 150 GB in both, you can say. I'll just click on shrink. Now it will take some time to shrink. Now you can see guys, D drive is now having around 169 GB and the unallocated space is around 157 GB. So what I'll do, I'll just right click on the unallocated and just create a new simple volume. This will be what? This will be CD E drive. You will set E drive to unallocated space around 157 GB. Right click, click on new simple volume. Herein you can see welcome to the new simple volume wizard. We are creating a new drive. Click on next. Now herein you can see keep it as it is. Simple volume size in MB, the remaining one was this, that is around 157 GB. Click on next. This value is in MB, click on next. Later I told you CD we already have. So I'll assign E drive to this. Click on next. Since it's a new drive, you need to format it. So yes, I'll just give a quick format to this. You can see perform a quick format, rest keep the default. Click on next. Completing the new simple volume wizard, you can check the details here. Drive letter will be E, name will be new simple volume. Click on finish. Now it will format it and now we have an E drive. Here you can see, okay, we have D, C, D and E. D we already had, it was around 326 GB I should say. So I divided it into the following two and now we have a new partition on Windows 11. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily create a new partition on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can get our IP address on our Windows 11 system. So it's very easy. Let's see the first way. Go to start, type CMD and click on open. On clicking CMD, you can see I'll just increase the font. Just type ipconfig and press enter. Herein you can see the IP address is visible here and here also. Now I'll just close this. I close this. The second way you can see, click here, click on your network, right click and click on settings. Here and click on show available networks and here it is, connected network. Click on the sign. Go below and after going below you can see the IP4, the address is visible and other addresses are also visible with all the details. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily find the IP address on Windows 11. We saw two ways. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily use the snipping tool on Windows 11. So snipping tool is a tool, free tool by Windows, through which you can easily take a screenshot image of the entire laptop screen or even a section. So let's see how we can use it. To reach there, go to start, click here. Here in straight away type snipping tool. I typed it and you can see snipping tool is visible. You can straight away click on open here. On clicking open, you can see the snipping tool is visible. At first, I'll set it below only because if you'll close it, it will vanish from the taskbar. So I'll right click and just pin to taskbar. Now it will be available here only always. If you want to take a new screenshot, click on new snip, and you can herein you can see you can take the screenshot in a rectangular snip form. That is a rectangular form. Okay, here it is. Or you can click new again and get a free form snip, or you can get a window snip or a full screen snip using the following. So let's say I'll go for the first one, rectangular. I clicked on it. Now just form the rectangle, the space, the screenshot you want. I clicked it and here it is. You can just copy it here. You can copy from here, or you can click on the three dots and you can save it. I clicked on save. I'll save it on the desktop. So it got saved. You can see here the image. Okay. In the same way, guys, now I'll go for a free form. Herein you can see. Here it is. I got the free from screenshot and I can save it again. Let's save it using the same way. Save and on the desktop. Let me give it a name, second, let's say. Okay, it got saved here. Here it is. Okay guys, that's amazing. Now let's say you want to set a timer. That is, you want to delay the snip. So herein you can snip. Let's say I will click on snip in 3 seconds. First I'll set the following rectangular mode, and then I'll go for snip in 3 seconds. After 3 seconds you can take a snip. Now it will be available after 3 seconds. You can see after 3 seconds. I'll close this. I'll go for a new one again. It will be delayed by 3 seconds because we have set it before. I'll close it again. Now I want after 5 seconds. Click on snip in 5 seconds and click on new. That's it. Now after 5 seconds you will be able to take a screenshot. This is beneficial when you are showing some steps which you want to show in your image immediately, that the cursor vanishes after some seconds. So this feature is really important. Now I can easily take a snip. These are all the features of snip. You can also add a highlighter. Here you can see a pencil you can say with different colors. Here you can see different colors are visible. The size is also set. You can see the width of size. I've set it like this. Now I'll just form it. You can see these are the ruler feature, eraser. I'll just erase this. You can see crop. You can undo it. In this way you can also zoom it. You can see you can zoom the image. So guys, so these were all the features of a snipping tool. So guys, in this video we saw how we can use a snipping tool on Windows 11. We saw all the features. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily change the user account profile photo on Windows 11. So it's very easy. For that you need to just click on start, click here and click on settings, or if you are unable to find this, type settings here. After typing settings, the settings app is visible. Click on open. On reaching settings, click on accounts. After reaching accounts, you can see the account info is visible. Here and click on your info because you want to change the image. Herein you can see the image is already uploaded, but if you want to take a photo from camera, from your laptop camera, click on open camera. If you want to choose a file from the system, click on browse files. From herein guys, you can select any picture. The following are the image formats. You can see I'll click on cancel because I already have a pic. After that, after clicking browse, you will be able to easily add any pic to your user account on Windows 11. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily change the user account photo on Windows 11. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will work around notifications on Windows 11. That is how we can set it, enable it or disable it. So right now you can see I am having one notification here. You can see one sign is visible. So I'll just keep the cursor here and you can see one new notification. When I'll click here, it will show me the notification. So here is the notification, you can see. Okay, Windows map just got updated. So I can straight away clear all the notifications. I cleared it. So now guys, let's see how we can add or remove any kind of notification. And what kind of notifications I'll get, I should know, right? Click here, start. After clicking, you can straight away click on settings. But if you are unable to find the settings, type settings here. I typed it here and click on settings, click on open. Now after reaching settings, you can see under system only, the first one, you can find the notifications option. You need to just click on it, click here. So these are all the notifications available. I have enabled notification, that's why I got one notification there. If I'll disable all, it will get disabled for every app. Okay. So now you can see battery saver, I'll get a notification that if my battery is down, I'll get a notification. If I want to off it, that is disable it, I can straight away click here like this. So I'll just switch it on again. Microsoft Store OneDrive, I don't want it, I'll just click off. For new mails, I'll get a new sound as well as a notification. Let's say I'll click on. Let's say I'll keep it on and I'll click here to see what is visible. So it will show me that how notifications will be visible. I want it like this and like this. So these are the default settings. It will play a sound. You want a sound or not? You can set it here just like your mobile phone, your iPhone or Android phone. I'll just keep it on only. You can also set the priority of notifications. I guess the priority of notifications works best if my battery is not working. So I'll just keep it as top. Definitely I should know that my laptop's battery is going down. So that's it. In this way you can set the notifications for all these apps here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can work around notifications on Windows 11. We can easily switch on or off notifications using this toggle button. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily find the Wi-Fi password on Windows 11. So here in our Wi-Fi is connected, you can see we need to find the password. So it's very easy. So this is Windows 11. At first you can press the start button or straight away click here. On clicking, settings is visible, click on it. After reaching the settings, on the left you can see some settings are visible. Click on network and internet. After reaching network and internet, you can see our Wi-Fi is connected. So go below, click on advanced network settings. After clicking, you can see network adapters information is visible. You need to go below again. Now click on more network adapter options. On clicking, you can see the same Wi-Fi we were connected to. The network connection section, right click here on your Wi-Fi. On right click, click on status. After clicking status, click on wireless properties. After clicking here, you can see the wireless properties are visible for my specific network provider. Now click on security. After clicking security, you can see the network security key. This is the password. The same is visible. Just click on show characters. After clicking show characters, you can see your Wi-Fi password is visible. So you can easily copy it, select it and just copy it. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily get the Wi-Fi password on Windows 11. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can clean up storage space on Windows 11. So storage sense introduced. For this, let's see. At first on Windows 11, click on start, click here. Click on settings. If you are unable to find these, type settings here. Here are the settings, click on open to open it. Now after clicking under system only, you can see below, you can find storage. Here it is, click on it. After clicking, you can see it is showing that Windows C 60 GB free and 89 GB used. Rest others are visible. When you'll go below, you can see storage sense is visible. It is off. You can click on it. This is the option storage sense. You can allow this by clicking on. It will configure cleanup schedules. That means if your disk space is low, it will delete the files in recycle bin on its own. It will also delete the files in downloads folder which are not been opened for more than a specific period. Let us click on. You can see run storage sense during low free disk space, or you can set it as every week or every day as well. I'll keep the default. It will delete files in my recycle bin after 30 days. Let's say I'll set it for 14 days. After that, it will delete files in my default folder if they haven't been opened for more than, let's say, more than 30 days. If I haven't touched my downloads folder, it will delete the files, all the files in a downloads folder. It will also remove unused cloud backed content from your device. Here it is from OneDrive. You can set the days here. The content will become online only if you haven't opened it for more than, you can set the number of days here. That's it. And you can just click on run storage sense now if you want to run it now. You can straight away click on and you can set that schedules here. This will also clean up temporary files on its own so that you can free up space. So guys, in this video we saw how we can automatically free up space on Windows 11 using storage sense. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things. Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can speed up our Windows 11 system. So it's very easy. I'll only show you 2 steps which will help you in speeding up your system. On your Windows 11, go to Start. Here and type %temp% and click on Open to open it. You can see the temporary files. Just select all. And delete it. You can just ignore these files because these are the current files. That's why you are unable to uninstall it. Click on skip here and rest will get uninstalled. Okay guys, these are the remaining ones which are the current files, so leave it. Click on cross. Now the second thing you can do is you can go to Start again and here and type Task Manager and click on Open to open it. After clicking, now you can see the Task Manager is visible. Here and go to Startup Items. So these are the startup items. That means the item which will automatically invoke will start working whenever you will start your system. So this actually slows your system very much. What you can do, you can see I have disabled most of them. Like I'll disable Microsoft Teams. I don't need it. Right click disable. Edge, I don't need it. I use Chrome or Mozilla. I'll just disable it. And rest, I think everything looks fine. You need to be cautious about all these steps because try not to disable the items you need. Like OneDrive you need because you have a data in it. Like graphics command you need, and Realtek SD audio for audio you need. Security you need. Rest looks fine. So guys, in this way we have disabled it. I'll click on cross. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily speed up our Windows 11 system. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.